feel like this is the start of the video.
The plans made it out of the group chat.
I feel like most of the plans actually make it out of the group chat.
It's true.
This is the weather right now.
Yeah, it's pouring.
That's okay. We're going to Kansas.
So
Hopefully it won't be as bad there.
Let me see what it looks like right now.
Let's hit the road.
You got too much.
You gotta cut that out. No vagina talk on the vlog.
Oh, yes.
We have to hit the Don's drive-thru before we can leave.
Bye from my
You're good. Thank you. Thank you.
Better than I too.
This fucking driving so bad. Well, we've made it, and they're paying for our parking pass
It felt like time travel. I
right out
slept
there.
the whole time. It's windy as that's whippersnapper.
Look. Oh!
Right here.
Look at this.
Wow.
Beautiful.
I like the
We
view.
got Carson posting up and he like welcome.
We are MTV.
This is the kitchen. This is the couch, the kitchen table. It's windy out there. This is where the magic happens.
Whoa, whoa.
Other bedroom.
Oh, my hair. Oh.
Evan, I need to.
Oh, that's a perfect fit.
Period, Sophie.
I'm putting D.
I can spell it for you.
D-I...
Because I'm gonna show you my new shorts.
Okay, okay.
Mary, I'm butt naked in the like,
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
play hot dogs.
Wait.
Did you just say play with hot dogs?
No, who said that?
Can I see it?
To feel the density of it.
It is mine. What does that mean, though?
Hey, reveal. This is Dustin Wieners. I didn't bring a speaker. Austin. How many text him? If you had more.
Oh.
Gotta show the camera that you're actually drinking is right.
Apple.
Sprite.
It's not
Can is
green.
green.
The can's not green. You can't even see it.
He's a liar.
Joe.
Pinky brings up to the floor.
I'm taking a nap.
In the big bed.
Together.
Had to blame it on
Jesus, hashtag blessed.
We're at the beach.
We just made a fire TikTok.
Oh, Carson, this is cinematic. Yeah, frolic for 4 counts, thank you.
What could I have said to raise you from the sky? Be the sky on the 4th of July.
Oh, you. Follow the We going swimming.
It's gonna be so fucking cold.
Yeah, it's not very warm outside. But
Microwave your dad's meat.
And then we're gonna put them on a bun because I'm scared your buns are gonna get soggy or this is gonna start on fire in the microwave. It's
my buns are gonna get soggy.
buns are always.
Okay, we're going to for a swim, but there's a lot of bugs.
I'm letting Carson's.
That is so pretty.
Hey, look at the nature.
Look at that. Oh wow, this is gorgeous.
Oh, to see without my eyes.
Dude, I know my ball.
The first time that you kissed me, boundless by the time I cried. I built your walls around me.
I like
Chocolate. This is beautiful.
Falling by river, feel my feet above the ground. Hand of
starting to go in.
Wonders ever cease. Blessed be the
God, she's so hot. I mean, it's so hot. Oh my God, there's spiders. And...
You missed!
You missed!
I don't know what I'm gonna do. Wait.
What?
I think it's on the ground.
Is it over there?
Guys, it probably went up on top of this thing.
It's gone now.
Ass.
Did you get it? Did you get it?
I got his ass.
It's definitely not. No.
This gave me a heart attack.
Oh my God, I literally got myself in.
This dumb and his dumb ass think they're slick.
Let him in.
Don't let you dumb.
It's unlocked. That's the sign of your demise.
Come in.
The door's unlocked, ho. You ready to die, man? I hear your rat laugh out there.
We knew it was you because we heard Austin laughing like a dumbass.
Oh, I was scared.
Say hi to the vlog.
And
What's
then
up,
like
vlog?
you didn't
Austin.
answer and do something lame.
No, you guys are like definitely like, oh, it's definitely them, but like in the back of your mind, you're thinking, what if it's not him?
I was like, I'm not afraid to kill someone.
That was Carson.
Catch on fire.
They got a fire started somehow.
Together. No, I rubbed sticks together.
Don't lie.
I said we give our dream up, y'all.
No, we got
Good morning, guys.
Good morning, USA.
It's like 9:40. People have been up since 8. Austin and Diego went to the gas station.
And got pizza and coffee. Didn't invite us. Maybe they did. I was
wanna
sleeping.
go.
put so much oil in this.
Get some breakfast. Let's take a trip outside, shall we? It's Gorgina out here. My icon, the legend, the one and only.
I just treachered through the rocks for nothing.
Follow your dreams. Yeah.
Look at this.
I made 2 fried eggs and they kind of morphed into one.
But I'm not gonna ask Grant for some salt and pepper.
This is nice. Okay, it smells immaculate in here. What do you rate it? That looks so yummy. Yeah. Alright, my eggs have been made.
I'm about to make mine.
On the fire. They made the fire. Supposedly, I haven't seen it yet. Look at this.
You was hating.
No, I wasn't. I just wanted to cook my egg on the stove.
Diego and Austin decided to go out fishing. So now we're all just kind of sitting here waiting to go on the boat. I think everybody's kind of tired. We on the boat.
Go get
I hope Austin's phone dies.
Oh.
Marines, and then you get in and you reach your balls and you're so over it.
That is true. I
All the way, all the way.
and then
And there's proof of
your hat's on the
it. Me and Carson are going tubing first. You gotta get this
it's
on
nice
the vlog.
and warm.
Yeah, it's so warm.
It's actually not that bad.
So
do we want to get in the water?
Carson, can you pee in the water since
Whoa.
Gibby, do we?
This looks bust the down. Period.
See?
Okay, guys. So while we were camping, we're on our way out, and we see this abandoned church.
We saw it on our way in, and
We
were
did.
like, "That looks like the Sinner's movie."
Mhm.
And now we're trying to
So
go.
we're gonna try and go.
So we're gonna
in.
try and. It's
Let's
like it is
go.
like boarded up.
Like, look at this.
So there's this like some.
You who mixing up loud?
Yeah, she boarded up.
We saw another door on the side though, so we're gonna go check that
A
out.
creepy basement.
I know, the stairs are like rickety as hell. Like, look at that. Like, that's freaky.
I want that.
Vincent Van Gogh went to church here.
Oh, be careful. Carson, be careful. It's literally leaning.
Bro, open up.
Can you just break it down? I want to get in here.
The fuck is that orange do, bro?
The Last of Us.
No, that's literally. Oh, I don't like
In
this.
the year of 1911.
The f Hopewell Church.
Oh my god, the lock is broken off down here.
Closed for the season.
Wait, Carson, don't go in alone.
Carson, wait. Hold on. What the
Carson?
Oh my god! Oh. The lights work.
It's like close for the season door.
Yeah, to the actual church, is it?
You know what? It's probably the bitch who knocked the lock off. Left the lights on too. What if you start knocking on that?
It actually is a
Think
lot.
anyone will come?
You're gonna touch that?
Ew, Carson, what the fuck?
Ew, Carson, there's spiders back there.
Bro, I've never even been able to play Scrabble because I can't read. Close for renovation.
Nasty.
Song to sing.
Sophie, no. Is it okay?
I think
That's fun. That's fun. I wish we
We're
could
gonna
have
go
actually
Sonic.
gone into the church, but we're gonna go get ice cream. So.
And we're gonna see the world's ball of twine.
The world.
Me and Evan got rickrolled. Wait, what is this? How does it sound like?
Big cock
We are.
Oh, I thought you meant here it is like ball of twine.
Chris.
Thank goodness I don't live here.
Thank goodness you don't live in Congress.
Wait, where is it?
Bro, I don't know.
Man, it was so big we passed it. Where? Oh!
Right there.
Oh, hey. That's not as cool as I thought.
46.
All right, we're right up next to it. Hi, y'all. Guys, can you turn around and smile? Cute.
That's the ball twine gift shop.
Which wait, where? Over here?
This is like a fish Austin caught earlier. I was actually caught a big fish.
He did.
We'll show it in the video.
Yeah, insert here.
Insert clip of Austin's private story saying, I caught fish. No, it's nice.
Can we just like peek through the window?
They have old-fashioned soda too.
Guys, this is its
close.
auditorium. Like ODD. Tired.
Guys, let's open on the backside of the boat. We're going in.
Here we go.
Oh, that looks like a tetanus rush shot. Wait, that.
Hi. Yeah.
Bro, is it
Oh my.
Should go down there.
Oh, absolutely not. Did you even try to open this from the front? Are you kidding me? All right. Bye, Sophie.
Go down there.
I will.
Take this with you. Take my phone.
Okay. Hey guys. So hypothetically, if I die, hypothetically, if I die, I will have it on video. Oh God. Nah.
Wait, guys, I actually don't want to die, so I'm walking back this way. This ain't no horror movie. I ain't got plot armor.
That place looks burnt down. Like it looks like there was a fire.
It was a church.
Oh no.
United Methodist Church.
There's a pole
What the
vault.
hell?
Pole vault.
Why is everything scary at church, bro?
Kitty cat.
Isn't that low-key kind of like...
Peep the camera in there.
You can see in the video. Eggs. Bro, with the price of eggs, we should get these. This cat has gorgeous blue eyes.
I know, right? I think it'll let me pick it up.
Low-key, yeah.
Alright.
What'd you say?
Oh my god. Oh, she's purring really loud.
No.
Pick it up.
No,
I dare
no.
you. That's fine.
Did you know we've been married since 4th grade?
We have.
We played geese
Kitty's
that
back.
one.
This is you on the moon, right?
There's a picture of me doing that on the boat. Insert picture of me on the boat.
Not to spoil any parts of Wicked.
When you're dancing through life, beneath the starry
We got something.
We got Sonic.
I got a chocolate shake.
So did I.
I got a Twisted Flamingo. And I got a Slush with Nerds.
Shout out Braxton.
Shout out Braxton, our car hog. He was probably 14 and played the tuba.
Everybody's gonna fall asleep.
Yeah.
Now I'm gonna be stuck here driving.
But she likes to drive.
Yeah.
Do you tell them white lies, or do you tell them the truth? Do you tell them that you love me the way that I've been loving you?
Bud?
Oh, we've successfully made it back to Hastings. No one died. Didn't get in a car accident.
Big full breast on my bed.
I don't remember that being the first time.
Had a really fun trip, and it was super fun.
I think I got sunburned.
Me too. I think I got a little sun
Like my nose is red.
right here. Okay, should we say bye on me so that we can go to like a credit scene?
Evan just looked
We're
at
back.
the blankets and said, "Who the fuck just talked?"
It's in the song.
Lost in the heat of it.